wherever you've gone, this some, the CEOs, the leaders, they've kind of spotted that there is this, interesting guy who's doing something good for the firm. And let's maybe recognize him. So, what do you think are some of the traits that these leaders have recognized in you?
Generally people recognize is one that what are you going to do beyond your job, okay, to make that happen, and not just in words but in reality, and how proactive you are to understand business and understand the culture of the business and what problems or challenges of the business are and how proactive you are to solve for it. Okay, maybe your strategy initially is not that great or your ideas maybe not that great, but that effort to to go and study the challenge or go to the grassroots, see what's wrong. I feel that aspect, which I've just learned from my peers and my leaders, that aspect when I bring it forward is just very much cherished. So initially it was just 3 months into the system, but just to know, because the system is so large, 15,000 workforce and three big manufacturing plants, a lot of challenges, lot of opportunities. But as a person, maybe you have a certain role and a designation given to you. But do you go and talk to someone in the business departments to study, or like paper department study operations of it, or do you go to towel team set to study finance or how things are done there in the legal? I feel just that aspect, being very proactive enough to learn from all the corners. And while I know we have lived this study of being told to, okay, you should not be a jack of all trades, be a master of one. But I feel everyone wants you to go at least be a jack sometime in your life.
Yeah.
Okay, go and study distribution, go and study operations, see how work is done, go at the grassroots level. Just that effort, I believe, they valued that
It's
effort.
noticed.
And that is why I believe all the CEOs and leadership people look for people who are making those efforts possible. So that we should not be shy away from making those efforts just because they are not in our area of domain. Even if it is just like go and like enjoy them, experience it.
Yeah.